Hey, welcome back, everyone. It says it's cloudy out there. No, it's not clouds. It's a lot of that blowing dust, resulting in very low visibility, but also noticeably cooler temperatures. Yeah, we're not in the 80s anymore. That cold front certainly did its job. We're projected to probably get not much higher than this if we can. I originally had 70s, but that cold front certainly packed a bit of a stronger punch. 68 right now. Humidity, it's low, makes sense. Northeast winds sustained at 24 miles an hour. Now the gusts themselves really aren't even getting above 50 miles an hour for the most part, but those sustained winds have been steadily over 30 miles an hour for much of the day, resulting in a lot of that localized blowing dust and reduced visibility. Current gusts kicking up pretty strong in Dryden, up to 53 miles an hour, 49 in Big Spring, 37 in Midland, and about 36 in Odessa. 20s the farther west you go. So this is certainly more of a easterly wind kind of deal, or eastern counties are getting the bulk of that wind from the system. Wind advisory is going to be in effect for the rest of the night. Luckily, we're not near any of the high wind watch, extreme wind warnings, high wind warnings. No. We're just going to be under the wind advisory, just enough that, hey, you know, maybe not going to be the best day for an outdoor picnic. Radar, though, nice and clear. Now, with the radar being clear, that means overnight tonight, all right, we have a cold front, we got clear skies. It's probably going to be dropping down big time, isn't it? Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, how about some 30s? What? Yeah, 38 is the projected low. Believe it or not, that's only 5 degrees below average. But still, you know, we were in the mid 80s yesterday, and now we're going to be in the 30s today. Yep. That's how it works out here. All right, what should you wear as you head out the door for tomorrow then? Well, actually, we're going to be heating back up to about 72, but I suggest wearing those long sleeves, maybe a sweatshirt or so, just because the early part of the morning, yeah, we're going to be in the 30s, and then we just jump right back to the 70s by the afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, no clouds are expected. Go ahead with those hat and sunglasses. Over the next 48 hours, I don't have a whole lot going on. Throughout much of your Thursday, it's going to stay pretty calm. Winds after tonight, you don't need to worry about them anymore. But I have that southerly flow coming back into the region. Okay, so typically when we get winds from the south, we warm up. We're not going to warm up a whole lot tomorrow. Low 70s, that is perfectly fine. But by Friday, how would you like some more of those upper 80s? Maybe even some 90s? Yeah, I know. For March? Oh, well. Yeah, it's not just us, though. Notice the 6 to 10 day outlook for much of the country. Yeah, at least the western half of the country is going to be well above average for this time of year, and our average high is about 70. So anything above 70 is, yeah, kind of what we're looking at for the weekend. Strong cold front on Sunday drops us down pretty hard on Monday, back to the 90s by next weekend. I don't like all these 90s, Julina.
You gotta love that West Texas roller coaster weather.